and welcome to my kitchen. We're going to be doing some cooking today. I feel like I haven't been on YouTube in forever, but that's not true. It's only been about, I don't know, a week or so, but I have been down with the flu and bronchitis and all the fun things. I'm still trying to get over it, so y'all just pardon my voice. But I am excited about today's video because it is a collab with several different YouTubers. It is hosted by Jim's Kitchen. Y'all got to go check him out. I will tell you a little bit more about his channel later, but first we're gonna get to cooking. So the ingredients for my chili is going to be cheese for topper, and then onion, bell pepper, beef bouillon, green chilies. I've got chili powder, cumin, paprika, onion powder. We've got minced garlic, sour cream for topper. I've got some hamburger, tomato sauce, chili beans, and some corn chips because I'm gonna make Frito chili pies. I cannot wait to try this out. I'm so hungry. It is Sunday and it's after church and I haven't ate yet, so I'm pretty hungry right now.
I wanted to take just a moment and introduce Jim, the host of today's collab. He is so funny. You've definitely got to go over and check out his channel. He is so artistic in his approach to cooking in the kitchen and always comes up with some of the best recipes, so make sure you go check him out. I have his channel linked in the description box below. Thank you so much, Jim, for allowing me to be a part of this collab today. All right, it is time to get our recipe started. So we're going to start off by chopping up our onion and bell pepper, and I'm going to use my handy dandy food chopper over there, and we're going to get that all minced up for sauteing. While I'm chopping up this bell pepper, I thought I would take a moment and introduce myself in case you're new. I'm Rachel. I'm a 48-year-old mom and grandma. I live in Arkansas. We are empty nesters, so we're in kind of a different phase of our life, which we're really enjoying. But we do have 4 grown children and 4 grandchildren, which we adore. But over here on my channel, you'll find all things homemaking. Also, I love shopping on a budget, so you'll find Goodwill hauls, Shein hauls every now and then. Anything on a budget, basically. I do decor on a budget and try to make the most of what I have. I love to shop my home. So if that sounds like something that you would like, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the bell so that you'll get notifications of all of my upcoming videos. Now that I have all my veggies chopped up, I'm just going to start cooking my hamburger meat and getting that ready to go in the chili, and also I'm going to be sauteing my veggies. Along with my bell pepper and onion that I chopped up, I'm also adding probably about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic here, and also a can of green chilies. While my veggies are simmering and sauteing over there, I'm adding in 3 cups of water, and then I'm going to add in a couple tablespoons of beef bouillon, and to give that a little bit more flavor, and then I will just add in my sauteed veggies. Now that I have all that together, it is time to start adding in the spices. So I have a tablespoon of black pepper. I believe I use 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and give it a good stir. I also add in salt. I'm not for sure if I did it on camera. I thought I did, but maybe I don't guess I did. Anyway, 2 cans of chili beans. I just used the Great Value cheap brand. And then a full can of tomato sauce.
Cannot wait to try this. Look at that yummy chili. I would like tilt the bowl. I can just tilt it a little bit because if I tilt it anymore, it's just gonna fall out on the floor, and well, I don't want to do that. So, yum. Y'all have got to try this recipe. I will type it up down below in the description box. It's my recipe. I didn't follow anybody else's, like on Pinterest or anything. This is just my made up by scratch recipe. So make sure that you try it and let me know in the comments if you do, and if you liked it, or if you think I need to add something to it. This would also be really good with cornbread instead of corn chips, or if you're in the South, corn pone. Y'all know what I'm talking about if you're in the South. So I will have the playlist to this collab link down below. Also, make sure that you go over and show all the other channels some love, like and subscribe to their channels, like their videos, comment in their comment section, find out some other ways to make some chili. I think that you'll really like it. I cannot wait to watch everybody's version of how they make chili. I just want to say a special thanks to Jim over at Jim's Kitchen for hosting this collab today and inviting me to be a part of it. I will see y'all next time. Bye.